What a day to just sit back and relax, isn't it, Kermit? Well, yeah, Father. It's a wonderful time of the year to just hang out with you. Well, son, I think that this night is gonna be a real good thing tonight. Oh, do you have the hiccups? Do you have the hiccups? Um, I, I don't know, Kermit. I just think that. Uh-oh. So, what happens if I get the hiccups? Well, when Muppets get hiccups, the hiccups start out mild, but then, at the end of the hour, um, the hiccups start getting out of control. And then you explode. Muppets explode. Oh no. I think I need to get something that will cure the hiccups. I don't want to die. Well, then, let me show you. Let me find let me find okay, so just try to hold your breath for 30 seconds or longer. For 30 seconds? Yeah. Now you try. Okay. Ah, thank goodness my hiccups are gone. See, I told you that would work. Yeah, it sure did. Aw, I thought they were gone. Aw, they didn't work. Well, let's try something else. Try to go cross-eyed, upside down. Still doesn't work. Try burping the hiccups out. Excuse me. Oh, come on. I need to get rid of the hiccups fast, or else I'm gonna explode. Try to eat some sugar. Alright. Oh no. Um. Boo! Huh? Aww. um, drink tons of water. Aww. Um. Oh. Oh. Kermit, it's son. Yeah? Your hiccups are getting faster. I know, Kermit. This cannot be happening to me. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I'm sure gonna miss you, Kermit. I'm sure gonna miss you, Daddy. Well, I'm gonna go to my room so that I won't make a big mess. I don't feel so good. Ah!